Hi, my name's Gerry, and I'm a twin troller boat owner. And I have owned this Honda 2.3 horsepower outboard on the back of my twin troller for the past 6 years, and it has operated flawlessly. This twin troller boat owner is Ted from Ohio. You may recognize Ted. He has been featured in several of my videos. Ted is very handy and has made many ingenious alterations and additions to his Twin Troller X10. Ted has a Honda 2.3 horsepower motor just like mine. He does not use that motor and is interested in selling it. He told me he wanted to try and sell it here on my YouTube channel in hopes that it will go to another Twin Troller X10 owner. Ted wrote a short description about his motor, so please now listen to what he wrote. Hi everyone, this is Ted from Ohio. You have probably seen me on Gerry's YouTube channel, Lunker012, a few times in the past modifying my twin troller. I recently did some modifying again, and I've gone all electric with my outboard motor as well. I did that because I often fish together with my wife, and I wanted it to be easier for her to just push a button. Therefore, I now have my practically new Honda 2.3 horsepower outboard for sale. The motor has barely 1 hour of total runtime on it, and I will include the throttle extension, the factory manual, the factory toolkit, the factory engine oil that came with the motor. At this time, Freedom Electric Marine currently sells this motor for $1,050, but it is back ordered until February of 2021. I am selling this motor for $600, and I will include shipping to anywhere in the United States except Alaska or Hawaii. Just get in contact with Gerry at his YouTube channel, Lunker012. Gerry has my email, and I will contact you so we can speak directly to each other. You can then PayPal me the funds, and I will have the motor promptly shipped to you. Thanks, Ted from Ohio. If you are interested in Ted's Honda 2.3 horsepower outboard, you can send me an email with your contact information to TwinTrollerPicture@gmail.com. Please make note in your email that you are interested in Ted's Honda motor. Once the motor is sold, Ted will state that in the comments section below this video, so you are not sending me your contact emails for a motor that is no longer available. Good luck, Gerry. Below this video, click on Show More to see links for many of the items used in most of my videos. They are there so you can locate them in case you are interested.